Thank you, student. How are you? I hope you are all well. You know that coronavirus has been spread all over the world. Some people are going to die daily, and some people are affected by daily. Besides, we are the student, you have a duty to study. So, our government has been started online class for your success, for your development, your study. So, I am a assistant headmaster of Meleng High School. I am going to start a online class for your development. I hope you will be benefited if you attend my class. So, you will take your pen and paper, follow my class and write who is I, write in the board. You will attend my class. Your lesson is degree. For today, your lesson is degree. First, I have been discussed what is degree. Number 2, how many kinds of degree? Number 3, how can we sense superlative degree to make comparative degree? All the students follow the board. First, what is degree? Degree means the comparison of the adjective. I am saying again. Degree means the comparison of adjective. Number 2, how many kinds of degree? There are 3 kinds of degree, such as positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Number 3, how can we change superlative degree to make comparative degree? First, superlative degree. When adjective is compared with more than persons or things. When adjective is compared with more than person or things. Comparative degree. when the adjective is compared with the two person or things. I am going to say again, when the adjective is compared with the two persons or two things. Positive degree, when adjective is not compared, when adjective is not compared. Am I clear to you? Next, all the students follow about Nazrul Islam is the greatest poet of Bangladesh. Nazrul Islam is the greatest poet of Bangladesh. It is superlative degree. It is superlative degree because if the superlative degree is joint the or one of the or most, when the degree is joint the or one of the or most, you will follow all kinds of what after verb. The one of the most is joint the degree. It is undoubtedly a superlative degree. How can we sense it? First, listen to me. In order to make the comparative degree from the superlative degree, subject and verb still here need no sense. Subject and verb need no sense. Next, you will give up the or one of the. You will give up the or one of the. Next, you will use er, indicate est. You will use er after degree and indicate est. Next, we will have to use then any other, then most other, then any other, then most other, and the next part of the sentence. And the next part of the sentence. If the superlative degree is joined only the, you will use than any other. You will use than any other. After the degree, er indicate, est indicate er. Next, you will have to use any other. If the superlative degree is joined one of the, it will follow. If the superlative degree is joined one of the, you will have to use than most other. Then most other. And all the next part still here. Only indicate est and use indicate er. It's all right. So follow the board. Subject and verb still here. Need no sense. Subject and verb still here or need no sense. Only give up the or one of the. Here is use the. Indicate delighted the. And use greatest. Follow the adjective. Greatest. Our rules is est indicate er. Our rule is est indicate er. Est indicate er. Here indicate est. Use er. Next, you will have to use than any other. And use the next part of the sentence tense. And use the next part of the sentence tense. Of the sentence. Follow the board. Subject and verb. Here subject is Nazrul Islam. Still here. And verb is used. Still here. And give up the or one of them. Next, greatest. Here adjective is greatest. According to the rule, est indicate er. Indicate est, use er. Then you will have to use according to the rules of comparative degree. You have to use than any other according to the use of the comparative degree. According to the rules of the comparative degree. Next, you will have to write the next part of the sentence. Am I clear to you? It's all right. Next sentence. Rabindranath was the greatest, one of the. One of the greatest poets of Bangladesh. All the students follow the vote. Rabindranath was one of the greatest poets of Bangladesh. Superlative degree is joint one of the, but before sentence is joint the. Here is compared. First sentence is joint after verb the, and the second sentence is joint one of the. Follow the board and follow the before rules. Follow the board and before rules, subject and verb still here. Follow the board, subject and verb. Rabindranath, subject and was verb. Still here. Subject and verb need no sense. Still here. Give up one of the. If the superlative degree is joined the or one of the. Give up the or one of the. Must give up. Next, we will have to follow the adjective. Adjective is joint est. Follow the before rule. Est. Follow the before rule. Est. Est indicate er. Est indicate er. Then must be compulsory. Then must be compulsory. Next, you will follow the board. The or one of the. Which is joint? The or one of the. Now Rabindranath was greater than most other. And the next part of the sentence. Homework. Your homework. Write 5 sentence comparative degree. Homework. Write 5 sentence comparative degree. As your wish. Comparative degree. Thank you all. I wish all your good luck and good health. See you again.